It's Joanna Vargas from Joanna Vargas Skincare. I'm really excited about my live today. You guys are going to meet one of my favorite clients. She should be joining us in a minute. Her name is Jennifer Yepez. She is a incredible hairstylist, and red carpet hairstylist, and she's a really good friend of mine as well. So I'm just typing in the name of the live today while I wait for her. Just give me 1 second. I see, I'm just posting the name of our chat, and then I will ask her to join us. Here we go. Yes, here she comes.
Hi, Joanna.
Hi.
I prepped my skin for you already.
I am really excited to see you. I miss you so much.
I know my skin misses you, but I've been doing okay with all the products, so I'm holding in there. I'm exfoliating every other day.
I am so proud of you. That's so amazing.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I prepped my skin already today with exfoliating mask.
You did?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
I couldn't let you down. I couldn't go on a live and not prep my skin.
I have to say your skin actually looks really good.
Yeah, there's nothing on it. So then after, I did the Twilight mask.
That's awesome. Good for you.
And then I did try out. So I'm obsessed. This is amazing.
You like it?
I love it. I love it. I'm going to shut my window 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm back. So yeah, so I'm obsessed with this. I mean, there's something like your hands, but I can do this for now.
I made it so that you could do a little facial no matter where you are in the world, because you're always everywhere.
Yes.
And you could even use it, take it with you on the airplane and do like a little depuff.
Yeah, it's amazing how it goes from hot to cool so quickly.
I know, right?
I was expecting it to heat up a bit. I'm a bit of an impatient person.
Really? I did not know that about you.
So I was like, wow, this is really good for me. Like, this works.
So if you're just joining us, this is my friend Jennifer Yepez, red carpet hairstylist extraordinaire. She's only done my hair one time. But
and Joanna's done my face a million times.
How long have we known each other for? Like four years, something like that?
Yeah, about 4 years. Yeah, about 4 years for sure.
How did I meet you? Through Daniel?
No, there was a makeup artist. There was a makeup artist that told me about you, and I was okay. I have to see you, and then I just ran over. I was like,
oh, I remember she was from London
Australia,
or something. Oh, Australia. Okay.
And I was like, okay, well, I can't see my other facialist. I'm freaking out. I need a facial. And then I was like, okay, well, I'm never going back to another facialist ever again. And I basically live at your spa.
Yeah, it's kind of nice though. Whenever you're around, which, let's face it, it's not that much.
I love it. Hello from France, fancy building.
Yeah, exactly. So I wanted to kind of go over with everybody the steps of a perfect facial at home. So Jennifer was just saying that she's already done her facial for the day, but
I could always use more. I'm the type of person, like, I would do 10 facials with all your, because the thing is with your skincare, you can actually do that. You can layer all the masks or layer.
Yeah,
and it's
for sure. For sure. I probably wouldn't exfoliate more than
No,
once a day,
right.
but everything else.
Everything
Should we
else.
do it? Should we do a sheet mask and some depuffing?
A full sheet mask?
You want to, or you want to do your?
Or should we? I have the serums here.
Let's do that. Let's do a serum.
Okay, perfect.
Let's do the rescue serum.
Rescue. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So like I said, I already used exfoliating today.
Perfect.
I used the Twilight face mask, and then I
Did when you did
serum.
when you did the exfoliating mask, did you try putting the hot setting on it?
No, I read that, but I haven't done that. I'll try it next time.
Next time you do it, try it. But right now I'm putting on the rescue serum.
But I'm pretty impressed with how my skin looks without you.
I mean, it looks great.
It looks good from here, right?
It looks really good.
All right.
Okay, so let's do the fourth.
To Maram. Sorry if I mess up your name.
Let's do the fourth setting, which is cold plus massage.
So this is the hot massage, and then this is cool, and then cool massage.
Yep.
Right.
So start off by doing down the side of your neck.
Okay.
You want to open the pathways of the lymph so that it'll depuff your face.
All right. And men can use this too, right?
Absolutely.
All right, guys. All the guys out there, listen up. This is how you're going to get all the ladies, all right? Go out there and look your best.
How have you been keeping, have you been doing any facial massage on yourself?
I'm not so much massage, but I've been doing a lot of masks.
That's good.
Which is fun.
So this is good because you know how you like to feel like the full snatched effect?
I want to look like I'm 20 all the time.
Yeah.
I look like you.
I'm not 20.
No, but you look it. That's all that matters,
I'm turning 50 in July.
Oh my gosh. Hello, Nyanga. Hello, Nyanga. My friend's on here. Nyanga, I'm going to give you a massage treatment, a spa treatment later, okay? Everyone's going to come to my apartment and be like, JV Skincare. Oh, spa at my house.
So basically the idea is like when you do a pass, bring it down the neck. So that way you're encouraging that lymphatic drainage.
So this having to get my spa how I like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, yeah, I'm gonna do this facial on you. Don't you worry. I'm practicing on myself now. It's so amazing how it really does cool.
Yeah.
So guys, this is really cold on my face, which is great underneath the eyes, right? That's where I mostly need it all the time.
It's perfect under the eyes because it'll bring down puffiness and inflammation. It'll take out the redness out of the skin. And as you know, we do cryotherapy at the salon. And so this mimics that, you know, oxygenation you get from cryotherapy.
Wow.
It increases circulation in the face. And it's easy to recharge it. It's just a USB recharger.
Yeah, I love it. So yeah, I have this.
Yeah.
Easy. Super easy. And I love that the holder. Perfect.
Yes.
Hi, Valerie. Yeah, so yeah, I used a little bit of the heat today with the sheet mask. Sheet mask, yeah. I liked it a lot. So now
I just turned it back on just so we could do a longer massage. The settings are timed just so that you know what the minimum amount is, you know?
Oh, okay, got it. Okay. I hope I have somewhere to go today. I'm gonna look gorgeous.
You mean your living room?
I'm in my living room now. Yeah, I hope I can smile, but I'm not sure. Maybe the grocery store.
Welcome to my bathroom.
I love your bathroom.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
So the motion, the massage movement that you feel in the device, it's kind of like a wave.
Yes.
And that's exactly how your lymphatic system moves in the body.
Okay. Love this. So you're just like lifting up and then down.
Yep.
Hi, Carolina. My friend who's obsessed with you, Joanna. She wants to come to you.
Oh, I can't wait to meet you.
She's an amazing makeup artist.
I know exactly who she is.
I miss you, Carolina. How's my eyeliner, Carolina? How you doing? Hi, hello. So my friends are on here. By the way, guys, this is major though. It's like, especially under my eyes. Look at this.
Yeah, you can do it on the top of the eye as well.
Is that gonna lift it? Like when you get that
lift and deep puff.
Carolina, all my friends who are on here right now, this is a must. This is definitely, and it's not even that expensive. It's like a luxury product, but affordable, which I like.
Yeah, I mean,
yes. My friend loves your face mask. These face masks save
really?
my life. Yeah, my friend Ty, she's on here. She's
hi, Ty.
Well. Hi, Chiller. Yeah, the mask saved me. Whenever I don't sleep, which used to be a lot, now I'm sleeping.
It just took a pandemic.
I remember in Monaco, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna look good, and I put 3-year masks on, and I looked like I slept for 12 hours.
The thing with your skin, though, is your skin responds really well to everything. Don't you think? Like when you get a facial, you can really see a difference.
I could see a big difference.
Yeah.
So my friend Dan's asking, how long do you use this for?
So if you're just doing like a quick deep puff with your morning routine, then 3 minutes is plenty. For a whole facial, there are 4 settings on this. So it's hot, hot plus massage, cold, cold plus massage. The whole thing will take you, you know,
you do
20 minutes.
Or
yeah, every setting is 3 minutes.
Amazing.
Yeah.
My fan page is on here, Queen Yepez. So
I saw that.
I adore them.
That's so sweet.
Thank you.
So
also it just soaks in the product, right?
It soaks in the product. It'll depuff you. It helps to tighten the skin. And if you do it every day, you'll notice a big difference in the tone of your skin. You know, under the eye area.
My eyes freaking out, Joanna. I'm telling you, it looks better.
You look really good.
So under here, so I think what's better to do? The hot, the plus massage underneath here?
When you do the exfoliant, do the hot plus massage everywhere.
Yeah.
And then when you do the sheet mask, do the cold only. And then serum will be cold plus massage.
Cold plus massage. So the sheet mask I should do cold?
Yeah.
Cold plus massage. Okay. And then underneath the eyes to get rid of the wrinkles?
So underneath the eyes, I want you to do the exfoliant to get rid of, you know, just the dead skin cells and surface dirt.
Okay.
You could do hot there. It activates the ingredients of the mask. Okay. And then the cold plus massage is really going to work that area really nicely and make it kind of clean and perfect.
Should I do this with the Supernova serum too, or no?
Yeah. You can at night before you go to bed, you can put the serum on and then do a cold plus massage.
Cold plus massage, okay.
And you can use the Supernova serum in the eye area.
Oh, I have. So I've been dousing myself. Trust me.
And then put it also on your chest.
On my chest.
Your décolleté. You want to make sure you use retinol there. I mean, your chest is perfect, but you want to keep it like that.
Right.
Yes.
Like that. So Dan, I hope we answer your question. You look so handsome. So just you could do it as long as you want. 3 minutes to 15 minutes, right?
Absolutely. As long as you want. I mean, I would say like when you're doing the exfoliating step, you know, just do the 3 minute what it has automatically set at, but then you can leave the exfoliating mask on for 15 or 20 minutes. And then when you change to your sheet mask, you could do it as long as you want. That cold setting is just going to oxygenate your skin more. And then the cold plus massage, you could do it for 15 minutes if you wanted to.
I love it.
And you could even use this on your body as well.
Oh yeah, and think about that. So I should put the Supernova and then just go.
Yeah.
Cold, right? Supernova.
Yeah.
Supernova with cold.
Yeah, absolutely. Why not?
Hello, Mohammed. My friends from Dubai. Everyone's joining. So everyone wants beautiful skin at home because, you know, spas are closed. So this is saving my life.
Party over at Jennifer's house.
Yeah, I know. I'm
going to be giving facials.
I'm going to be doing facials. Nobody wants their hair done. Everyone wants like skin and fitness. So I'm like, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's one of those times of life, but I always say Jennifer knows so much about skincare. You could switch careers very seamlessly.
I'm obsessed. I basically, yeah, I mean, I can't live without you. That's for sure. But I'm hanging in there, and this is amazing. I'm so happy to have this at home.
Yes.
My friends are going to come over. I'll make sure that I show them how to use it. So I'm not giving massages all day. Free service. Show them how to use it.
I mean, you know enough now. You could do it. Yeah. You did a perfect at-home facial before the live. I mean, your skin really looks good.
Yeah.
I mean, you better be my first client coming back, though.
Oh, I will be. I'm going to be there like 8 a.m. at the door. I want the full works, okay? Don't I want like 2 hours.
Yeah, absolutely. You look great, though. I love it. So this is what your face looks like after a perfect Joanna Vargas facial, guys.
No, I'm telling you. I even save the serum and I put it on my chest.
It's perfect. Even if you have extra, I use the serum on my arms.
Yeah, but I love this. I mean, honestly, it gets pretty hot. Almost like not RF facial, but it gets pretty hot.
Yeah.
So where it's like, I like that it has the settings so you don't burn your skin or
yeah,
it's too hot. So
yeah, because you know that's something people would do. So Jennifer, when we come back, you know what we have to do?
Josephine.
We have to do the Twilight facial, radio frequency and microneedling.
Oh my God, microneedling. Guys, you don't understand. Joanna saves my skin. I can get off of 20 planes and then I go to Joanna and I look like brand new in 1 hour. I need like 3 hours of work and you did it in 1 hour.
Well, you know, I maximize our time. Yes. Anyways, let's make a date for Twilight when we come when I have a date, you know? Sure. Because I wanna do the needles on your face. I think it's gonna be really good.
Yes, we'll have to do it before and after so people can see.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, baby. I love seeing you today.
I love seeing you too. I'm going to be doing this day and night.
Yay!
Every single day, every single night. I'll be posting more on my page so people can see, like, you know, the difference before and after.
Okay, sweetie. Take care, okay?
Bye. Love you, Joanna.
Bye. Love you.